Okay, magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Oras na naman po natin damayan. At gaya po ng dati, kami bumabati sa lahat ng sumusubaybay at nagmamahal po sa ating programa. Ang panauhin ko po, walang iba kundi ang aking personal physician, ang orthopedic surgeon ko po, si Dr. Jose Fernandez Siquia. Siya po ay nasa St. Luke's Medical Center at Cardinal Santos Medical Center. Doc, bakit ngayon ang daming may sakit ng kwan, ito sa tuhod?
Kasi Tita Rose, ang first, maraming taong may gout.
Yeah,
And,
what is gout? What's the difference of gout and then at saka pagkatapos ang kwan?
Well, gout is what is called metabolic condition. So, ang tao, pag may arthritis lang, let's say osteoarthritis, ibig sabihin, napudpud yung cartilage. So, it is wear and tear. Kasi, let's say, mabigat siya o talagang inabuso na yung kanyang joint, kaya nagkaka-arthritis. But in gout, ang problem sa gout is the crystals that are formed, crystals, hindi siya tamang natatanggal sa katawan. So what happens is, they get deposited in different areas. And very common sa mga joints.
I see.
And lalong-lalo na those who, yung malalakas uminom ng alak, or there are some people genetically may problema, so yung foods that are, yung mga laman loob, mga beans, they eat a lot of them, yun, nagkaka-gouty attack sila. Kaya sumasakit-sakit yung mga joints. But gout is not osteoarthritis, Tita Rosa.
What is it?
A gout is a problem sa metabolism ng katawan. So not all people have gout.
At saka bakit dito sa may paayatan?
Very common in males sa big toe. Yes. So let us say someone na may predisposition na magka-gout o may gout na tapos napainom ng alak, especially New Year, di ba? So kinabukasan sasakit na yung mga joints, lalo yung big toe. Sasakit, halos hindi na makalakad. And so they see us, we see it's red, it's swollen, then we have to treat that. Other patients naman, after very many years of gout, pati yung tuhod nila nasisira na rin.
Is it different from arthritis?
Yes. Normally, yung osteoarthritis, di ba, we give mga what are known as non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs like yung mga Voltaren, di ba, mefenamic acid, diclofenac sodium, things that way. When someone has gout, we try to control the uric acid. And so the rheumatologists, mainly rheumatologists, they will give mga allopurinol, things that way, para ibaba yung uric acid level.
I see. Pero ano yun? Forever na you'll have
Sometimes lifelong yun, Tita Rose.
Talaga?
But at least, if gout is put under control, yung mga side effects niya will not come up. But if gout is not put under control, not only will you have joint problems, minsan nasisira pa yung kidneys because of the crystals.
Exacto. Well, kamukha ng ano-anong mga complication ng gout?
Well, with gout, aside from kidney problems, joint pains, you develop soft tissue swellings, mga masses.
I see.
Parang they call that tophi. The crystals, they get deposited under the skin.
I see. Ngayon, kamukha na lang, Doc, ang mga bata, bakit meron din sa kanila na nagkakasakit sa buto? Ano ang reason?
Well, you know, vitamin D is very important.
Vitamin?
D, hindi
D,
D, sunlight. And so, people who lack vitamin D or who lack calcium intake, pwedeng magkaroon ng tinatawag na rickets. Diba? So when someone has rickets, the bones are soft, so nadideform yun.
I see.
Not only that, syempre yung mga bata, malilikot rin yan, and a lot of them, nababalian. And that is why when I was in training before, diba? I was in orthopedic center before, yung mga malilit na bata, they play sa may slides, they hang on trees, tapos nababali yung sanga. And then they break their elbow, they break their wrist, yun.
Ayun. Naku, but I'm so glad na meron pala kayong association.
Yes.
Ano itong association nyo ito? I kept the card you gave me.
Thank you.
Yes.
We formed a group sa joint replacement kasi we realized na marami sa atin yung tatanda na sila And then yung sumasakit, yung arthritis,
Yes.
they'll say, titiisin ko na lang yan kasi anyway, matanda na ho ako. But then we realized na dati-rati, nung 60s and 70s, that was true kasi wala naman tayong treatment na. But now, let us say hindi na nakukuha sa gamot yung arthritis or hindi na siya nakukuha sa exercise, pwede pala namin palitan yung joint. And so we have patients na mga 60, 70, even 80 nagpapapalit ng joint.
But
The
it-
reason is so that they can enjoy their
Yeah,
life.
but it's also expensive.
That is the problem, it's
Oh.
expensive. Yung bakal kasi mahal na rin yan
mahal,
eh.
oo.
So it's quite expensive. So what we are thinking of now, Tita Rose, is the group that we formed, so we are concentrating sa joint replacement. Now actually we were coming up with an idea, what if we do some fundraising activities for people
Yes.
who will need joint
Yes, that's
replacement,
right.
pero hindi nila, they cannot afford yung bakal mismo. Kasi di ba, may charity naman, but yung bakal, hindi
Bakal,
yan libre.
hindi,
Mahal ang
talaga,
bakal,
oo,
Tita
talaga,
Rose.
oo.
So our group, there are 4 of us, we're joint replacement surgeons. We're planning a way to make fundraising for this.
Ah, ganun.
We will let you know about it, Tita
Oo.
Rose.
But it would be nice because I also like to see it na kamukha halimbawa yung mga elderly
Yes.
na talagang cannot afford.
Yes.
And they're only on their 50s.
Yes, there are,
diba?
50s,
Yun ang-
60s.
talagang pwede pa yun, dapat yun.
Tapos nakakaawa kasi you see them, they cannot enjoy yung mga apo nila. Pupunta sa mall, uupo na lang sila. Sige, iya, mauna na kayo. I'll just be here. So nakakaawa naman. Then the patients that we see, yung na-operahan, they can go with their auntie, they can go with their children, yung mga apo nila. So we think there must be a way for us to help people
Yes.
who cannot afford. Diba? So we're thinking of maybe fundraising for this purpose. This is quality of life, diba? I
Yes,
mean,
yes.
we only live a short while.
Yes.
So we might as well maximize.
Yes.
diba?
At saka, what's so wonderful with you people is that kayong mga doktor na ito nga, you form yourselves together to be able to help. Ako, I'm so blessed. Di ba, inopera mo ko. Okay naman ang aking kwan. But of course, you gave me one bag of blood daw, sabi sa akin. No?
Sabi
But,
nga namin, we did not have problems sa blood bank.